Remember when the doctors in Idaho were saying, hey, things are getting really, really bad with abortion care, and we've been having to life flight people out of the state? And the legislators said, nuh-uh, you're lying. She needed an emergency abortion, and doctors in Idaho put her on a plane. And if you've been hearing about Idaho a lot recently, that's because a Supreme Court decision that came out of Idaho decided that they're not going to rule if people deserve emergency medical care. Nicole Miller had gone to the emergency room in Boise, Idaho, after waking up with heavy bleeding in her 20th week of pregnancy. The doctor was telling her that she needed to leave the state to be treated. She said, if I need saving, you're not going to help me. And he told me he wasn't willing to risk his 20-year career, because the consequences of providing abortion care in Idaho include jail time, losing your license, and a lot more. So instead, they put Miss Miller on a small plane to Utah. She gripped her husband's hand, scared of flying, but more terrified that she would never see her young daughters again. I just need to stay alive so I can be around for my other 2 kids. Again, remember Idaho. On Thursday, the United States Supreme Court declined to decide whether states that ban abortions, like Idaho, must comply with a federal law that requires emergency room doctors to provide abortions necessary to protect the health of a pregnant woman. Because abortion opponents don't want the federal law to turn emergency rooms into abortion havens.